Number 1. Hook, wireless 3D audio headphones. Wireless headphones with built-in binaural microphones that let you listen to music, take calls, and capture 3D audio on any device at any time.
Hi, I'm Anthony Matana, founder of Hook. Sound occurs all around us in 3D, and we should be capturing it that way. That's the concept behind Hook. Quality headphones that capture 3D audio. Here's Hook in action.
One, two, three. One, two, three.
I've spent the last 5 years designing sound for theater. There's nothing quite like hearing a live performance, and I wanted a way to capture that immersive quality for people outside of the theater. That's when I discovered binaural recording, or 3D audio recording, the process of capturing audio identically to the way our ears do. It inspired me to create a simple product that was accessible to all, not just sound professionals. Right now, there are a few products that capture 3D audio, but they're incredibly expensive, require a lot of equipment, and are not very portable. Hook fixes this by bringing all of this technology to your everyday pair of headphones at a price that just makes sense. Sound occurs all around us in 3D, yet currently we are capturing and sharing audio on our mobile devices in 2D. If sound occurs all around us, we should be capturing and sharing it that way. Take a listen. This is what it sounds like when you capture audio on your mobile device or your digital camera. Notice that when I walk around, the sound is flat and two-dimensional. You can't sense where I am, and it doesn't feel like you're here listening to me walk around. Now, this is 3D audio captured with Hook. Now, if you notice, when I move around you, you'll be able to sense where I am and follow my voice spatially as I walk around you, as if you were here listening to me move around.
At the core of Hook are two microphones. Ensuring that they are secure and comfortable helps maintain Hook's 3D audio pickup, so we designed the headset to be ergonomic and flexible based on your fit. Hook's compatibility with your mobile device and camera allows you to capture video and 3D audio at the same time. Hook can connect to any Bluetooth-enabled device, such as your smartphone, and for those devices that aren't Bluetooth compatible, we've added an audio jack so you can capture 3D audio on those as well. Over the past year, Hook's design has evolved over many iterations. The design process first began with ergonomic modeling. This enabled us to arrive upon a design that would conform to the head without being cumbersome. To ensure precise 3D recording, placement and orientation of the microphone were then explored. In terms of hardware, development on the headset's Bluetooth functionality occurred with the sourcing of the headset's speaker and microphone.
Hook connects with your smartphone just like any other Bluetooth device. As soon as you pair Hook with your smartphone, all audio you capture, whether it's via Instagram, Facebook, or your phone's built-in camera app, will all be captured in 3D. We've made a functional prototype, which you've heard in action throughout this video, and we now have a fully realized design product that's ready to be manufactured. There are no other wireless headphones on the market that can accomplish what Hook can, and we need your help to manufacture Hook and bring 3D audio to you. To see more of Hook in action, check the videos below. With your help, we can bring 3D audio to the masses, from one ear to another.
Number 2. Bosgo, 24/7 health tracking smartwatch with live 3D UI. Tracks your heart rate, analyzes your sleep quality, keeps exercise records and more.
Introducing the Bosgo, with a dynamic UI, vibrant IPS display, and a 5-day battery life. It's the most affordable fitness smartwatch ever made, with heart rate monitoring It gives you the real-time feedback you need to take it to the next level. It can track calories burned, steps taken, and miles ran. In the app, you can track your running route, see your stats, and compete with friends. And when it's time to hit the showers, it's even water resistant. The Boss Go is also a powerful sleep tracker. At night, motion sensors detect when you fall asleep. In the morning, it wakes you with a silent, vibrating alarm at the optimal part of your sleep cycle. With a complete picture of your night, you're ready to start your day. It has a remote trigger to help you capture new angles, and you can receive all your notifications right on your wrist. Featuring 2 watch faces and 6 band options, the Boss Go is stylish for any occasion. Boss Go makes it easy to remember the big things, like your phone, and the small things, with alarms and event reminders. It's everything you need to keep your life right on schedule.
Number 3. The Govner 3D Printed Custom and Universal Earphones. 3D printed custom fit in-ear monitors for professional musicians and audiophiles featuring our new pressure release valve.
Hey everyone, I'm Louis, founder of HW Audio, and this is our technician Sean. At HW Audio, we specialise in manufacturing custom in-ear monitors for musicians and audiophiles.
The aim of our Kickstarter is to give you an insight into how we manufacture now and how we intend to manufacture in the future. The first step is getting your custom in-ear impressions. These can be taken at most audiologists and are posted to us, or you can have them done at our friendly HQ. The impressions need to be trimmed and shaped to get the desired fit and comfort of a custom in-ear monitor. The impressions are then coated in a dipping wax to make them smooth and most importantly give them the essential seal. Once the impressions have been detailed, they are encased in duplicating gel to make a negative mould of the shape of your ears. Once the gel has cooled, the impression can be removed to reveal an exact reverse mould of the ear. We use UV light curing acrylic resin to make the custom shells, and using medical grade pigment they can be made in a wide range of colours and tones from toxic green to blue sparkle. The shells also need to undergo some work, drilling out for sound channels and placement of the cable sockets. Once the shells are ready, they head over to the wiring station to be fitted with our balanced armature drivers. We choose balanced armature drivers because they deliver incredible clarity, low end and separation, which is perfect for musicians and audiophiles. Our skilled technicians place the drivers in the custom shells, then they are tested to ensure the correct frequency response is achieved. The final and most exciting stage is creating the faceplates which seal in the balanced armature drivers. The custom faceplates can be made from the same UV resin as the shells, or you can choose to be more adventurous and have full-scale custom artwork, or a choice of special materials like exotic wood veneers or our flagship mother of pearl. The funding from our Kickstarter will help us to release our new range of in-ear monitors. We've designed a universal shell which offers a perfect fit to 99.9% of users to house the same balanced armature drivers used in our custom in-ear monitors, as well as incorporating our new pressure release system, the Governor.
Our Governor filter had a lot of inspiration from James Watt, the guy that invented the train. He created the Governor filter to help regulate pressure within the steam engine. So we've taken the same concept and applied it to our universal and custom fit in-ear monitors to help release the build-up of pressure within the ear canal. Our plan is to utilise our years of research and development with the release of our universal fit in-ear monitors.
From analysing scans of ear impressions, we've already produced a fully working prototype and are now seeking funding to enable us to start mass production and distribution worldwide.
Our universal fit in-ear monitors will be 3D printed for precision and speed.
Funding will be used to purchase the 3D printer and software, enabling us to manufacture in-house.
Your pledges will also go towards hiring a graduate graphic designer and an apprentice technician. We have ambitious plans at HW Audio and truly believe that our universal fit in-ear monitors can offer the consumer an unrivaled listening experience.
Number 4. 3D Motion Smart Sensor for Active Sports. cycling, running, swimming or swinging. Measure it all with one 3D motion smart sensor.
Hi! There are many motion smart sensors on the market. Most of them use accelerometer or gyro or both. 3D Motion Smart Sensor uses Earth magnetic field sensing technology. Let me explain how that works. I will use this mechanical compass for the demo. The arrow is always pointing to the north magnetic pole of the Earth. When running, see when you lift a foot, then strike it. When rowing, watch the strokes, the drive and recovery. The sensor can also detect the angle of a pivotal motion. In running, it is related to a distance. In rowing or paddling, the length of a stroke. In contrast to accelerometer or gyro, the magnetic field sensing technology uses very little power and is not susceptible to any shock, no vibrations. It works reliably anywhere on Earth, except maybe on the North Pole. We already have a fully functioning hardware, which uses the same Earth magnetic field sensing technology. Our goal in this campaign is to find out which sport profiles would you like the most. We are calling all developers to collaborate with us in creating new sport profiles and applications using this innovative 3D motion smart sensor. As a consumer, you will get a platform which you could wirelessly update to new sport profiles as they are coming out. Join us in this 3D motion revolution. Thank you.
Number 5. UpLocket, a 3D printed NFC-enabled locket for sharing photos. A 3D printed NFC-enabled locket for sharing photos and videos with just a tap to a phone.
Hey Kickstarter, I'm Todd.
And I'm Ben.
And we're the creators of UpLocket.
UpLocket is a new design in wearable technology. It keeps the traditional form and function of a locket, but with a modern day twist.
Like a traditional locket, UpLocket is a fun piece of jewelry, a pendant worn as a necklace. But UpLocket isn't just something you'd find at the bottom of your grandma's jewelry box. UpLocket allows you to magically send a photo or a video to someone else's phone just by tapping it to the back.
This is due to some pretty cool technology called NFC, or Near Field Communication. Most Android phones support this. If you want to know if your phone supports it, just check out the information below.
The UpLocket uses NFC technology to instantly share a picture or a video to someone else's phone just by tapping it to the back. The phone will then automatically open the picture or the video and start playing it, no apps needed.
You can forget about the days of having to scroll through albums to find that one funny picture of your cat or that cute one of your baby. UpLocket allows you to just tap and share in the moment. We're offering UpLocket in a variety of different colors and original designs so that you can pick the combination that's perfect for you or your loved one. The final pieces will be 3D printed and preloaded with your photo or video. You send us the link, we send you the UpLocket. It's that simple.
We're raising funds here on Kickstarter to gear up for our first production run and to meet the minimum order quantities. We need your help to make this project happen. Check out the really cool backer rewards on the right to get involved and get an UpLocket to try out for yourself. Thanks Kickstarter for your support.
And keep it awesome.